PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
The more you follow the ball. In fact, the more uniform the speed, the more power you give to the ball. The more you look, the more it spins. The more you follow him. Instead, there is no rotation. Not following the ball out. This is putting force on the ball. This is following the ball. Following the ball is not effective. How can there be rotation if you follow the ball? Right, but if I put force on the ball, the rotation becomes stronger. Do you understand? Right, put your force on the ball instead of following the ball. Can you loop like this? No, your forehand is just pat-pat. Is the transition smooth? Is there any change in direction halfway? No. How about the backhand? Should there be a change in direction when relaxing? Any change in direction? Change direction, right? Can you hit the forehand like this? Oh, then why does the backhand need to be hit like this? Haha, wow, amazing. A good loop with the forehand. Is there a change in direction halfway? Great control and handling. Backhand in and out correctly. In and out correctly. When you pull back, store up a lot of power. It's time for you to tighten. When you loosen, you should loosen. You tightened again. We need to loosen first and then tighten. Or tighten first and then loosen. Ah, loosen first but your backhand flick like this. Should it be loose or tight? If it's loose, then it becomes tighten first and then loosen. Sometimes the wrist flicks and loses control, right? Including blocking, bring it in when you see it torn. Is it tightened at the end? Do you want to loosen it at the end? Flick the wrist out. Give him the power. Receive it in your belly. Can't you just let your hand be brought in by your belly? Do you think the ball is also brought in by the belly? Find a suitable distance. Okay, that's enough. Push back with your belly. If you push with your hand, won't it be pushed out? Isn't he going to pull the ball when it's about to touch the ball? It's good to store power at the end. As soon as the ball comes, the hand goes out. Your abdominal muscle force hasn't come out at all. Let the belly lead the hand out again. Okay, don't dig to push him. Properly push the hand with the belly. This shoulder hasn't hit yet. When you hit, it's like all the balls are hitting outside your body. Oh, really? But once I take this hand out, do you see if my two shoulders are level? It's better if all the balls are hitting inside the body. Inside the body, right? Ah, when you move this side away, is this outside the body? Is this outside the body? Do you think it's inside the self-color? Do you feel safe? Do you feel safe when it's outside the body? Inside the arms, then you hug it. Hug it in your arms. What are you doing? Haha, no. Are you trying to fake a forehand shot? Right. You should shift your weight and move across from him. Do you understand it's not about using your head? Shift your weight and face him. Move your hand in that direction.
是不是把手拧到身体外面去了？然后你在给正的时候，你不就是举出去了？你不可能这么打吧？这怎么打球啊？是不是不现实，对不对？所以说我们要讲道理。那么很简单，把手拿出来，跟右手一样，明显吗？自然，对吧？自然，对称，对称发力，由内向外。
Why did you just loop there? Are you intentionally hitting straight? You were pushed back by my block. Oh, right, then it's a test of your skills. Yes, beautiful. Yes, very good. Did you put power in your legs? Against the edges, right? What about the second one? Elbow joint. After swinging with one hand, did you engage your core? Engage your core as well. Isn't this better? Is the quality low? Oh, it's not low, right? Okay. This feels great, right? The key is to control your body well.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.